everyone, welcome to Sanam's kitchen. Today's recipe is Kothimbir vadi, one of my favorite tea time snacks. So let's begin. Here I have 1 cup of chopped cilantro, 1.5 cup of chickpea flour or besan, quarter cup of chopped onions, and quarter cup of plain yogurt, salt to taste, 3 tablespoons of rice flour, turmeric powder, ginger and chili paste, and some chopped green chili, mustard seeds, sesame seeds, and carom seeds, all ajwain, some curry leaves, and we need water to make a batter and oil for cooking and for frying. So in a big bowl, add chickpea flour, rice flour, turmeric powder, and ginger and chili paste, and yogurt, and we are going to add about little more than half cup of water, but I'm just adding little by little, and mix it really well. And we're going to add salt to taste and mix everything together, and we're going to make a batter that is dripping consistency like this. Now keep this aside and heat a pan and add about 2 tablespoons of oil. When oil is hot, add mustard seeds, and I'm going to break the curry leaves and add it, carom seeds, green chilies, and sesame seeds, and chopped onions, and stir this well and saute it until it is slightly brown. Now add the batter and we are going to cook this batter. Now add the chopped cilantro and we are going to cook this until it starts to separate from the pan. So we have to stir it continuously, and the water will reduce and it will become like a dough, like a soft dough, and it will start separating from the pan. And make sure you choose a non-stick pan to cook this, it will be easier. Now take a deep dish or a baking tin or grease with little oil, and we are going to add the mixture into this tin and just spread it evenly and let it cool for about 20 minutes. Now after 20 minutes it's completely cooled, and we are going to transfer it to the plate and cut it into the pieces. You can cut it into square pieces or diamond shaped piece, and we're going to fry this. Now heat the oil, and when oil is hot we are going to fry this vadi until it is lightly golden on outside. So make sure to have a medium flame and fry it until it is nice and golden. Here Kothimbir vadi is ready. So I'm going to take out on a paper towel, and you can see how nice and golden it looks, and it is perfectly cooked from inside and out. So I'm ready to have my snack with the masala tea. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching.